Hey, Roldan here. Hey, are you a veteran who owns also real estate rentals and has always been like reactive and not proactive enough when it comes to the numbers and the bookkeeping of your assets? Do you really feel you have a good control or where your business is moving month after month? Or it's more like a quarterly way of figuring out things how go? Do you perhaps isn't until you find that time to meet with your CPA that start understanding how the portfolio actually is doing, or the one asset that we do so much renovation and put so much effort and love optimization, we end up 3 4 grants on the whole. Well, I have a great tool for you. Don't fall on the trap. Neither be scared of the hours and hours of pulling receipts and going over statements. With 14 minutes a week, your bookkeeping will be always sharp. And you know what I'm talking when I'm talking about sharp. So veteran out there who listens to this, check out this system. Look at my page and look at my product. Very simple, straightforward. All work center supervisors or sergeants from any division have used Excel. So I'm sure Excel is not going to kick your rear. Take a look at my profit track.